Hi everyone, it's Pierre speaking from Forex Mentorpro. It's Friday morning, it's the 10th of February 2017. Let's look at the counter trade we took this week. In the beginning of the week, when I did my write-up in the forum and the blog, I said to you guys that we need to keep our eye on the pound JPY 4-hour chart. And this was a key support level for us. We had a Bollinger Band there, a psychological level at 139. We had a pivot point at 159.12, so we were expecting support in this level. Once price hit that level, we look for candle formation, what MACD is doing, and also stochastic. We can see here, this candle here had a big wick to the downside and we pulled back. So there was support coming up on this one. Remember, we look for multiple reasons. This case, psychological level of 139, pivot point at 139.12. MACD was already painting a green bar, stochastic was oversold. So once we get to these levels, we need to wait for confirmation. How do we do that? Well, we had to go down to the 1-hour chart and we look for MACD divergence. Price, in this case, was trending down and MACD was trending up. So we could expect a pullback on this one, a correction. And that's exactly what happened. How did we get into our trade? Well, we had to place a trend line on the 1-hour chart and wait for the trend line to break. And this was this candle here. Once the candle broke on the other side of the trend line, that was your entry, and your stop had to be on the other side of this low area. So your stop was about 100 pips. It's a quite a big stop, but remember, it's the pound JPY pair. It's got a big daily range. Possible profit take areas was back if you go to the 4-hour chart in this area here. We had loads of EMAs there, a 55 daily EMA. We also had a 55 4-hour EMA there, plus a daily and a 4-hour 200 EMA. So that is a huge roadblock for this one. So that was the obvious place to take your profit. The guys that's been following me in the forum will also know that I used a ribbon indicator on the 30-minute chart. If we go to the 30-minute chart, we can see that we had the trend line break and then the confirmation with that ribbon cross that we had before we got into our trade on this one. So I say again, cool trade this one. We risked about 100 pips, but we gained well over 200 pips on this trade.